Hey, it's Josh from the YouTube channel Magical Wall, and today I'm going to show you the classic trick, how to pull, oh my gosh, that is so light, you can't even see that. If you can see that, I can't see that. What? You might be able to see it from here. Show my thumb. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how you do that. So all you need is your thumbs and your fingers. You're going to take your thumb, place it right there, like this. Okay? So, show hand. This. Fingers down. Okay? Now what's going to happen? Just going to take your thumb, put it like that. Put it right next to it. And it looks like it's your thumb, but it really isn't. And then you go 3, 2, 1, rip. And put it back together. Go 3, 2, 1. Okay? That's how you do it. So subscribe for more magic tricks.